Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to trade on Alibaba, the world's largest online B2B marketplace. We'll walk you through the process step by step and share some pro tips to help you get the best deals. So let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to create an account on Alibaba. Head over to alibaba.com and click on the join free in the top right corner, fill in your details and you're all set. It's very easy, I'm sure you can do it. Now let's move on to finding the perfect product. Alibaba has a vast selection of products, so it's essential to know what you're looking for. Use the search bar to type in the keywords related to the products you want. You can also use filters like supplier types, product certificate, and minimum order quantity to narrow down your research. Look for suppliers with gold supplier badge, as they are more reliable and have been verified by Alibaba. Also, do not deal with the procurement companies. Always go to the manufacturer himself. Once you've found the product you're interested in, it's time to contact the supplier. Click on Contact Supplier and send them a message with your requirements, such as quantity, shipment method, and any customization you need. Always ask for sample before placing a large order to ensure the product meets your expectation. Instead of this strategy, you can click on the compare, and in this case, you can add up to 20 suppliers to compare all at once. You can compare their products, minimum order quantity, shipment method, and also the certificates and gold supplier badge and things like that. And after that, you can click on contact supplier and send your letter to all of them at once. Now that you've established communication with the supplier, it's time to negotiate the price and terms of your order. Don't be afraid to ask for a better price. It's very normal in the world of trade, especially if you're placing a large order. Use Alibaba's trade assurance program to protect your transactions and ensure you receive the product as agreed. So, up to now, if you found this helpful, please subscribe so that I can keep creating contents like this. The best time to negotiate discount and reduction is when you receive samples, because in this way, the supplier knows that you are a serious buyer and you're not goofing around. So he's doing everything in his power to keep you on this deal. Once you've agreed on the price and terms, it's time to place your order. The supplier will create a contract and you'll need to review it and confirm it. Remember, you have to consult this with an international lawyer. Make sure all the details are correct before proceeding with the payment. With your order placed, it's time to arrange shipping. You can either choose to handle the shipping yourself or ask the supplier to arrange it for you. If you're new to international shipping, it might be a good idea to let the supplier handle it. Always ask for the tracking number and keep an eye on your shipment to ensure it arrives on time and in good condition. Once your shipment arrives, it's crucial to inspect the products thoroughly. Check for any damages, discrepancies, or quality issues. If you find any problems, contact the supplier immediately to resolve the issue. Document any issues with photos or videos to support your claim if needed. Finally, after you've received and inspected your order, it's essential to leave a feedback on supplier's profile. This helps other buyers make informed decisions and encourages suppliers to maintain high-quality products and services. And that's it. You know how to trade on Alibaba step by step. Remember to use your pro tips to ensure a smooth and successful trading experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. If you have any questions or pro tips of your own, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.